When you sign up, you'll see a pop-up asking for Apple Health Access. Simply tap Allow Apple Health Access, and another page will appear where you can grant permissions. We recommend selecting Turn on All so every eligible activity counts toward your creds. Just press Allow in the top right corner and you're good to go. If you ever notice your activity isn't tracking, double-check that the Earn It app is still connected to Apple Health. Open the Health app on your iPhone, go to your account in the top right corner, and tap Apps in the Privacy section. Make sure Earn It has access to all the necessary data, and you'll be back to earning in no time. Your activity is always being tracked, even when you're offline. As soon as you're back online, everything syncs automatically in the app, so you won't miss out on any creds. If your Apple Health data isn't automatically syncing, you can manually sync it. Just click on your profile icon in the top left corner, tap Sync Health Data, and within seconds, all your health data will be pulled into the app. Easy.